You're watching Times Now. I'm Pratibha. We're keeping our focus on the shocking story that came in Karnataka. Now, murkier details have emerged almost every day in the sensational murder case of Renuka Swami, where actor Darshan is one of the key accused. There seems to be no relief in sight for the Kannada actor Darshan. Currently, Darshan and Pavitra Gowda, as well as the 14 other accused, have been remanded to 5-day police custody till the 20th of June. Let's tell you the top developments in the case. Actor Chikkanna has also now been quizzed in the same case. He's an actor in Sandalwood and he's said to have met Darshan on the previous day of when the incident took place. So the police official saying that actor Chikkanna had met Darshan the day before the murder. The two had gone for dinner and that's the reason why he has been summoned by the police officials. There are other accused in the case as well who will be taken to the crime scene, with the police officials inspecting the Mysuru crime scene. The inspection in the case, the investigation continues. The spot Mahajar or spot inspection is going to continue in the Mysuru spot as well. The Karnataka Home Minister, meanwhile, is slated to also be meeting the victim's family. Now, details coming in of actor Chikkanna being questioned by the police officials in the case. The actor in Sandalwood had met Darshan allegedly a day before the murder took place. So the police officials questioned him in this regard, asking if he was aware of any details. The Karnataka Home Minister has also spoken about it. In fact, he spoke about the case and the possible celebrity links in the case as well, saying Darshan is a big celebrity and has many celebrity contacts, but that does not mean that all of them are involved. Chikkanna had been called in for questioning because he had met him the previous day.
ಅವರು ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ನಟರಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಂಥವರು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Well, Home Minister G. Parmeshwar said that he would be meeting Renuka Swami's family members today. On being asked about the announcement of compensation, the Home Minister said that this is an issue that will have to be discussed with the Chief Minister because the probe is still underway.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸನೇ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇದು ಬಕ್ರೀದ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಂತ್ವನ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ನೆರವು ಘೋಷಣೆ
ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
My colleague Imran is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Imran, what's the latest as far as the investigations are concerned? The Sandalwood actor Chikkanna had also been called in by the police officials.
Well, absolutely. Since a day before the entire incident episode happened where Renuka Swami was kidnapped and brought into Bangalore and where he was murdered, Chikkanna, a senior actor of the Kannada film industry, had met Darshan, based on which he was called in for questioning by the police. He was even taken to the spot, and yesterday the police had questioned him for several hours in this case. The police, however, said that he is not an accused. He has been brought in based on suspicion and what he knows because he had met Darshan a day before, and based on which the questioning went on for a couple of hours. As of right now, the police has not revealed anything much more beyond this. They're saying that they're still questioning Chikkanna over this case, but he's not an accused yet. Meanwhile, the police are taking all the accused to Mysuru today for spot Mahajar, except Darshan. There are close to around 16 people who are named in this accused in this case, and apart from Darshan, others will be taken to the Mysuru, especially Darshan's farmhouse and the hotel he stayed before his arrest happened in this Renuka Swami murder case. So that is the latest update coming in. And meanwhile, the police also has brought entire investigation under an ACP officer, where several teams have been made, one for Mysuru, Bangalore, and also for Chitradurga, collecting enough evidence against Darshan and others involved in the murder of a person named Renuka Swamy, allegedly for trolling a close associate of Darshan, who's a model-turned-actor Pavitra Gowda.
Okay, Imran, stay with us because Times Now has also accessed some stunning details in the murder case of the probe that's currently underway. ACP has been made in charge of the investigation, and the ACP will lead multiple teams of police officials, and the teams will report from multiple districts. Mysuru as well as Bengaluru teams will be collecting evidence. So the probe being widened, Imran, what are the details that the officials have revealed so far? We understand now an ACP has been made in charge of the probe, but it's going to be a multi-city probe, considering that he had been brought in from a different location to Bengaluru, the involvement of over 16 people in the case.
Well, absolutely. The IO in this case was deputed for elections, and he's been sent back. However, he'll be part of the investigation. But since it's a multi-city probe, especially Mysuru, where Darshan had given the calls to his associates to pick up the person named Renuka Swamy from Chitradurga, and also from Chitradurga, from where Renuka Swamy was kidnapped, brought to Bangalore, and where the actual crime location in a shed belonging to close associate of Darshan, where he was tortured and murdered by Darshan and other associates on Renuka Swamy. So these are multiple city which has been brought under in one single CP level officer, and 3 teams have been formed in 3 districts, Mysuru, Bangalore, Chitradurga, to speed up the probe and collect enough evidence. And so that is a multi-pronged approach by the investigation agencies, as they have a very big challenge that one of the accused who is arrested, Darshan, is a popular Kannada superstar, and there is pressure on the police to ensure that enough evidence is collected. As a matter of question for the government too, that a superstar has been arrested, and they do not want to leave no stone unturned as far as the evidence is concerned, and building up a strong case against Darshan, Pavitra Gowda and others accused in the case.
Right, but Imran, there are a lot of questions also being raised on the transparency in the case. Yesterday as well, some of the prominent names in the Kannada film industry had also spoken out the fact that the police station where these individuals have been housed, including Darshan, had also been covered up completely, which led to several questions of any VIP treatment, any special treatment being meted out to Darshan and his associates.
Well, absolutely. Even the biryanis being supplied was one which came up, and second, during the spot Mahajar, Darshan was given a phone to speak to someone, and also the third, the police station being covered by a tent. That is 1-3 days where begs the question. In fact, RTI activists have also asked for CCTV details of Darshan's case to highlight whether any special treatment or VVIP treatment is given to Darshan. All the allegations have been denied, and in fact strongly refuted by the police, saying that the biryani was for the cover team, not for the Darshan, and the phone call was from the IO itself asking Darshan about specific questions, and they put up this tent outside the police station to avoid this, especially his supporters, clicking images, photographs, and keeping them away from the police station is what the police has told, and it strongly refuted any claims of special VVIP treatment. In fact, some of the RTI activists have also gone to filed RTI to the government seeking more details about this particular special treatment, and also CCTV footage to amplify and clear the doubt whether any special treatment was given to Darshan or not.
Okay, all right, Imran, thank you for joining us with those.